let's show you how you can quickly change the GPT model of your agent all within Microsoft Copilot Studio right now. In this way, you can start to tap into some of the newer, more powerful capabilities. So here I am within Microsoft Copilot Studio, and I have a completely brand new agent. And as of recently, you can now see the agent's model here directly. And the default is this GPT-4. And you'll see here if I didn't make this clear, you're underneath this overview tab. And here you can actually click on these three dots and click edit. And this is going to directly take you to the settings page of your agent. You can get here through clicking on settings as well, but this is going to take you exactly where you need very quickly. Here you can then make sure you're on the generative AI settings, and here you'll be able to see the agent's model settings. Oh, didn't mean to select all that. The agent's model settings. And here is where you can select your model. If you click on this drop down, you can select one of those juicy, new, innovative GPT-5 models. Now, there are some differences here, definitely some nuances and some cost considerations that I will have a link to the video that explains all of that right here at the end of this one. But nonetheless, you can go ahead and check that out. And this is how you update the model. So say you wanted to use the GPT-5 reasoning model, you can go ahead and do that. Now, granted, this is still experimental. So Microsoft is going to tell you, hey, disclaimer, I wouldn't necessarily use this in production. But you can go ahead and do that and save your settings down here. Make sure you save, otherwise these updates will not be carried over. As well as once you save your model, once you save your agent, excuse me, you're going to want to go ahead and make sure you publish your agent as well. That is going to what's actually be the thing that pushes this update to all of the channels that you've done. If you have any questions or feel like I'm missing things or not covering things, or you have specific nuanced questions, be sure to follow the first link down in the description down below to book a meeting with me directly on my calendar. As promised, here is the video that you'll want to check out for more of those details around the different models and what you need to know. My name is Griffin Lickfelt, the host of the Citizen Developer channel, and I'm excited to connect with you in the next one.